Welcome to Aunt Minel's Read Aloud and Activity Corner. Today I'm going to read a book and it's titled Hammy the Hamster by T. Halbert and illustrated by Ma Illustrations. I am Hammy the Hamster. I live with my mother in Rita, my father Ari, my sister Achi, and my brother Al. We live in South America, and you can't miss our home. It is the burrow under the trees that look like the letter H. When we are out during the day, we are very careful so we aren't caught. We might get trapped and become someone's pet, so we are mostly out after dark. We like to eat seeds and fruit and carry it back home in our pouches. Our cheeks have built-in shopping bags. Just like you, we like to play and have fun. We have fun running into the light and chasing our shadows on the leaves. Last night, Achi and I found this thing. When you push a button, it lit up like the sun. We like to climb things and explore. Our cousins Lester, Larry, and Lorraine live in the city. They are someone's pet. They sent us this picture and said they had a lot of fun but miss playing with us. Lester said he liked people. He always had food and water and lots of toys to play with. He even likes to take a ride in the pocket of his people friend Billy. I might be your pet someday. If I ever become your pet, I hope you take good care of me because I will do all I can to be your friend. Adios, amigos. I hope you enjoyed this book as much as I did. And remember to support this author by purchasing one of this book for your home library. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.